Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I transformed this old and used braided hair to a beautiful curly wig. So one advantage of using this hair is that you have the several options of styling it in different styles and it is going to come out really beautiful. So to begin, I'm going to start by detangling the hair. And as you can see, detangling the hair into bulk is going to waste so much time and energy. So I decided to section the hair into smaller sections as I comb through. So after doing this is what we have. The hair is detangled and it is fluffed out. So now I'm going to be moving to the next step, which is blow drying the hair. So if you do not have a hand dryer, you can always opt out to putting the hair in hot water, or you can decide to use the hair directly without doing any of this method. It is still okay. So this is what it will look like when it is blow dried, and this is what it looks like when it is not. So I decided to blow dry the hair because it will make detangling the hair easier when I'm rolling this hair. So now I want to start rolling. As you can see, I sectioned the hair. This is large enough at least. So now I'm using a small size flexi rod. That is what I'm using to roll this hair. So as you can see, I am just rolling it directly and my hands are controlling how it is going to coil up. So if you get to the ends and you still have some hair left, all you have to do is to roll it back upwards and the coils are going to come out still beautiful and nice. So now I'm going to be repeating the same process again. This time around I'm going to fast forward it so it doesn't waste much of your time. So as I'm doing this, I just want to thank all my subscribers, and if this is your first time of seeing me, then thank you for joining this family. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure you like this video. So when I'm done, this is what we have. So next I'm going to be doing is to use a leave-in conditioner. So I'm using a Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to add a little bit into a hot water, and now I'm going to put the hair inside the hot water too. So I'm going to allow this to sit for a while inside the hot water, and then I'm going to strain it out and allow it to dry up. So this is what it looks like when the hair is dried. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to roll out this hair from the flexi rod. But first of all, you need to cut out these tiny bits of the hair because these parts, they tend to make the hair so tangled when you're trying to unravel the coils. So like I said, cut off just these little coils because they are going to tangle the hair when you're trying to unravel the coils. And this is what it looks like, guys. So as you can see, the coils came out really beautiful and they are popping. So now that we have these coils, I'm just going to show you how I started by crocheting this hair. So first of all, I cut from the middle part of the hair. So after cutting this is what it looks like. So this is what I'll be working with. I do not need it so long and I do not need it too short, so just this size is okay. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to unravel those coils. So unraveling the coils at this point is easier because of the whole process I did at the beginning. So now the unraveling of the coils wasn't really as hard as I expected. So it came out really nice at the end of the day. So this is how I crochet the hair onto the net. So you do not need it to be too big and you do not need it to be too small. So a medium size is enough. So this is how I crochet again. So in case you do not get it at the back, I'm coming over to the front to show you how I did it. So as you can see, I am using a medium size crochet. You can decide to use the smaller size, but I do not advise you use the big size crochet for this hair. So guys, if you're liking this so far, do not forget to subscribe. And to my new subscribers, I'd like to say you're welcome to this family. Do not leave without subscribing. So right now I'm going to do the front parts. So in this front part, as you can see, the net is not as flexible as that of the back, so you have to be really careful as you are crocheting this. So it is even advisable that you use a small size crochet, but if you are using this medium size crochet, then it is fine. All you have to do is to be careful so the net doesn't pull out when you're trying to crochet the hair. So now everything is set, guys. Look how beautiful it is. So now I'm just going to trim this out, and as you can see, I'm not cutting this entirely. First of all, I'm going to be cutting out the rough part of the hair just slightly, and then I'm going to be finding my way all through down. So it depends on how you want to trim it, but this is how I chose to. So guys, it is always advisable that you do a partial trim for this, and when you wear your wig, you do the proper trimming, so you do not trim out any necessary parts of the hair. So always make sure you are trimming it on your head, not just on the mannequin. So now guys, our wig is ready, and now I'm about to try it out. So this is what it looks like on me, guys. As you can see, it is really beautiful. Now I'm just going to shake it up so it is going to fluff out, and it came out really nice. So one good thing I love about this hair, guys, is that it is so soft. It feels so smooth. I really wish I can just reach it out to all of you so you can actually feel how smooth it is. So this is what it looks like, guys. And like I said, guys, you have several options of styling this hair just the way you want. I'm going to be leaving out that video for you guys on how to style this hair in several ways, but for now, this is what the hair looks like. And let me know if you are going to be trying this out in the comment section, and do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you around in my next video.